People will say, I'm not flexible enough to do yoga. I'm too old to do yoga. I'm not healthy enough to do yoga. But really, if you have a body and you can breathe, you can do yoga. And just by regulating the breath, someone can have a profound experience of yoga in their very first class. But that 15 minutes you spent nourishing yourself means that when you go back to your family or you go back into your work situation, you have something to offer. In this masterclass, you're getting something basic yet very essential to your understanding of what yoga is. I'll be demonstrating the simplest practices to more advanced versions of those practices. So this is a really wonderful way of breathing if you're anxious, if you're feeling emotional tension. Purse the lips, making the sound who. You may want to add imagery that you have a candle in front of you. You're making it so gentle, so soft, that the candle doesn't flicker or go out. Your life as we know it can change in an instant. 3 years ago, I had a serious accident. I've been using yoga to restore my body. First 2 years was mostly about learning how to walk again. I'm witnessing quite a miraculous restoration. We may move through some real storms in our life. Thank goodness I've had yoga to find some part of myself that is unshakable, pristine, could never be damaged. That's really the focus of the practice, to find the part of ourselves that is always steady. I'm Donna Farhi, and this is my masterclass.